This is the pirate ship in Nassau. I think they're doing dinner cruise here. Blackbeard might have been. Blackbeard, right there, see the name? Blackbeard Revenge. That's our greatest pirate adventure. It's the plank. There's someone here, look. There's some cannons. Alcohol, bar, red bar there. I'll come back and think I'll have a dinner cruise on this. Looks nice. Very nice. Here's seats. Life jackets probably in there as well. That's the boat over there, the helicopter one. Just Google it. Another page I got it on. It's Blackbeard himself. That's the old customs rails where the stock used to come in on the boat and be cleared there to get it off. It's the pirate ships out there, the captain, steering wheel. Use this for the party.